Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Blooming Maestro. I am your host Vedant Chawla and today we are going to learn adverbs. What is an adverb? An adverb is a word that describes a verb, an adjective or another adverb. For example, always, outside, loudly, upstairs, which means an adverb is a word that gives an answer to how the work is done, when the work is done, where the work is done, and how often it is done. Types of adverbs. There are four types of adverbs. Adverbs of manner, adverbs of time, adverbs of place, and adverbs of frequency. Adverbs of manner. Adverbs of manner tell us how something happens and answer the question how. They are placed either after the main verb or after the object. Generally, the adverb of manner are adjectives plus ly. Some of the examples are: he ate the cakes greedily. How were the cakes eaten? The cakes were eaten greedily. She writes neatly. How does she write? She writes neatly. The man spoke loudly. How did the man speak? He spoke loudly. He plays the guitar beautifully. How does he play the guitar? He plays the guitar beautifully. Now, adverbs of place. Adverbs of place tell us where something happens and answer the question where. They are usually placed after the main verb. For example, my grandmother's farm is nearby. How far it is? It's nearby. They have lit the campfire here. Where have they lit the campfire? They have lit the campfire over here. Children are playing outside. Where are they playing? They are playing outside. We are going to New York. Where are we going? We are going to New York. Now, adverbs of time. An adverb of time is just what you might expect it to be. A word that describes when, for how long, or how often a certain action happened. Examples: the football match will begin soon. When will the football match begin? It will begin soon. We are going to begin cleaning of our house today. When are we going to begin the cleaning of our house? We are going to begin the cleaning of our house today itself. I saw the movie last year. When did I see the movie? I saw the movie last year. I have to leave now. When should I leave? I should leave now. Adverbs of frequency. Adverbs of frequency always describes how often something occurs either in definite or indefinite terms. An adverb describing indefinite frequency doesn't specify an exact time frame. Some of the examples are: we seldom play hockey in school. That means we sometimes play hockey in the school. They often go to the lake. That means on what frequency they go to the lake. They often go to the lake. I rarely go to the gym. On what frequency I go to the gym? I rarely go to the gym. I occasionally go to the bed late. On what frequency I go to the bed late? I occasionally go to the bed late. Now here is a recap what we have learned today. Adverbs and types. Adverbs of frequency. Some of the adverbs are always, sometimes, weekly, bi-weekly, rarely, never, generally, etc. An example for adverbs of frequency is: I rarely go to the gym. Adverbs of manner. Some of the adverbs are cheerfully, efficiently, slowly, easily, quickly, neatly, etc. An example for adverbs of time is: he writes neatly. Adverbs of time: yesterday, today, tomorrow, already, soon, later, yet, etc. An example for adverbs of time is one of my friend is going to zoo tomorrow. Adverbs of place. Back. Some of the adverbs are back, here, out, outside, backwards, below, down, indoors, downstairs, inside, etc. An example for adverbs of place is children are playing outside. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for my latest updates. Also, don't forget to give a big thumbs up. Thank you.